Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Let's learn some colors. Light green color, blue color, red color, orange color, brown color, let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane, B for balloon, C for cartoon, D for Doraemon. Light green color. A for aeroplane. Blue color. B for balloon. Red color. C for cartoon. Orange color. D for Doraemon. Brown color. E for elephant. Light green color. F for family. Blue color. G for grapes. G for grapes. Red color. H for hen. H for hen. Orange color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Brown color. J for jelly. J for jelly. Light green color. K for kite. K for kite. Blue color. L for lion. L for lion. Red color. M for mango. M for mango. Orange color. N for nose. N for nose. Brown color. O for onion. O for onion. Light green color. P for pig. P for pig. Q for queen. Q for queen. Red color. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Orange color. S is for sunflower. Is for sunflower. Brown color. T. T for table. T for table. Light green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Blue color. V. V for van. V for van. Red color. W. W for world. W for world. Orange color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Brown color. Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Light green color. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A. A is for aeroplane. B. B is for balloon. C. C is for cartoon. D. D is for Doraemon. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for family. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jelly. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nose. O. O is for onion. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sunflower. T. T is for table. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for world. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yoga. Z. Z is for zigzag. Ta-da!